Jupiter is a creator and destroyer of worlds. Jupiter is a dominant planet in the solar system in a sense. It's 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets and moons combined. And that means that it is really the only object in the solar system other than the Sun that has a quite profound gravitational influence on the rest of the system. For example, the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs here on Earth 66 million years ago is likely, or at least it's possible, that it was deflected onto a collision course with Earth by Jupiter. Jupiter is a creator and destroyer of worlds. We have a spacecraft in orbit around Jupiter now called Juno, which is sending back the most remarkable images of the planet. It's a spacecraft that for the first time orbits the north and south pole of Jupiter. When you zoom in, you see images of clouds that look almost like impressionist paintings. The storm that we're probably most aware of on Jupiter is the Great Red Spot, but it is shrinking. So when Galileo saw the storm system, you could have lined up 3 Earths in that spot. Gives you a sense of scale of Jupiter. Now it's shrunk. You could only fit about 2 Earths across the diameter, but it's still a big and long-lived storm. Jupiter is a fascinating world in itself, but equally fascinating is its own mini solar system. Its moons, over 70 moons. And the 4 brightest were discovered by Galileo. These moons played an extremely important role in the history of human thought because they confirmed to Galileo we are not the center of the universe. Because when you look at Jupiter through a telescope, it's obvious that those moons are in orbit around it and not around us. Those moons are worlds with their own characters. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. And then a rather magical world called Europa, a moon covered in a shell of frozen water ice. But we know that beneath that shell of water ice, there is an ocean of liquid salt water. It contains more water than all the oceans of the Earth combined. And so Europa may well be a home for life.